Welcome back to Style&Space Studio. Today, we're taking a serene journey to rustic wooden beach houses, where natural textures, ocean breezes, and the gentle sound of waves come together to create the perfect retreat. Whether you're looking to find inspiration for your own seaside escape, or simply want to enjoy the beauty of coastal rustic design, this video is for you. Imagine waking up to the sight of the sun rising over the water, surrounded by wood finishes and natural accents that feel one with the landscape. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you're excited about rustic design, and leave a comment below if you'd live in one of these stunning beachside homes. Now, let's explore these natural, wave-kissed sanctuaries. Rustic Design by the Sea combines rugged charm with the tranquility of nature. Wooden beach houses embody this unique aesthetic, blending time-worn wood, cozy furnishings, and natural light to create an intimate connection with the surroundings. Think of unpolished wood finishes, whitewashed walls, and raw textures that highlight each grain of wood. This style doesn't just look organic, it feels like it breathes in rhythm with the ocean. Rustic beach houses draw on the natural environment to inspire calm, combining coastal charm with materials that age beautifully over time. The sound of waves, coupled with rich textures and soft, natural hues, makes these spaces feel effortlessly in sync with the coastal landscape. Rustic beach houses stand out through architectural simplicity, with structures often rooted in open layouts, large windows, and exposed beams. These features create a seamless connection between the indoors and the stunning natural surroundings. Many homes incorporate broad patios or decks, inviting you to step out and soak in the sunrise or sunset. Roofs may have thatched or shingle materials, designed to withstand salty air and rough weather while exuding authentic rustic charm. The rustic simplicity in beach house architecture aligns with the back-to-basics mentality, one that fosters peace and minimalism. It's a reminder that sometimes, less truly is more, especially when surrounded by nature. Natural light is a vital element in any rustic beach house, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere throughout. By utilizing large windows, open doors, and skylights, these homes capture the sun's soft glow, which enhances the warmth of wooden interiors and highlights subtle details in the texture of the wood. This influx of sunlight not only adds brightness, but also makes the space feel airy and open, reinforcing the connection with the outdoors. Imagine a quiet morning with the soft sunlight pouring in as you listen to the waves outside. Natural light transforms these spaces into serene havens, inviting the outdoors in. Wooden textures are central to the rustic beach house, from the beams above to the floorboards underfoot. These homes often feature weathered wood, either naturally or intentionally aged, that brings out beautiful imperfections and a sense of history. Driftwood, reclaimed timber, and even bamboo can all contribute to the unique aesthetic of these spaces. The mix of wooden textures provides a cozy, tactile experience, making each part of the home feel unique and handcrafted. Wooden accents might come through in furniture pieces, frames, or even small decor items, each contributing to a seamless flow from one room to the next. Furniture in a rustic beach house should feel relaxed and inviting. Picture large, plush sofas, wicker chairs, and perhaps a hammock or two. Linens in soft, natural colors like cream, sandy beige, and soft blues add a coastal touch, while rustic wood and woven accents give it the warmth and texture it needs. Tables crafted from reclaimed wood, cozy rugs underfoot, and woven baskets all add to the natural appeal. These furnishings create a casual yet refined look, transforming the house into a place where you can unwind in true coastal style, surrounded by the sounds of the sea. A rustic beach house wouldn't be complete without elements of nature seamlessly woven into its decor. Greenery adds a fresh touch to the earthy textures of wood, so think about adding potted plants or vines. Driftwood is a popular decor element that brings a piece of the beach indoors, whether used in art, as a lamp base, or as decorative accents on shelves. Shells, sea glass, and stones can also enhance the natural theme, adding color and texture that reflect the environment outside. This approach brings an organic, tranquil vibe to the house, enriching the rustic feel. Outdoor spaces are an essential part of any rustic wooden beach house, providing the ideal spot to take in ocean views and feel the breeze. Large decks, patios, or balconies create an extension of the indoor space, often with rustic wooden furniture or even an outdoor fireplace to complete the setting. These areas offer the perfect opportunity to fully immerse in nature's sights and sounds. Some beach homes even incorporate outdoor kitchens or showers for a touch of luxury. These outdoor spaces become the heart of a rustic beach home, ideal for gathering with friends or enjoying a quiet sunset alone. Color is another essential element in creating a tranquil, rustic coastal atmosphere. Coastal color palettes often include sandy neutrals, soft blues, seafoam greens, and earthy tones that mirror the natural beauty outside. These hues create a harmonious balance between the interior and exterior, making the home feel even closer to the beach. Whites and soft grays give the space an airy feel, while occasional pops of color can add character without overpowering the natural beauty. This palette helps create a calming environment that feels like an extension of the shoreline itself, inviting you to relax and unwind.